Hello everyone. Welcome back to Jay's Epic YouTube Tutorials. Today I will be giving you an in-depth, step-by-step video instruction tutorial on how to breathe oxygen. Now, it may seem very difficult at first, but once you get the hang of it you won't even need to remember. Now let's begin by covering the basics of breathing. What is breathing? Breathing is a normal bodily function in humans that allows them to get the necessary oxygen they need to live and survive. They do this by inhaling it into their lungs, which gets used up, and the excess gets exhaled as carbon dioxide. In order to do this, you must pick one of two spots to breathe. Pick either your nose or your mouth. Both work to accomplish the same goals, but they just go in different ways. Consider picking one that isn't already obstructed, and if both are, consider removing such obstacles as to avoid death from lack of oxygen. Now let's break it down into each step. Inhaling. To inhale, try and push with your chest with one of the two main entryways. This will help make your lungs open and inflate with oxygen. If this worked correctly, you should feel heavier, and your lungs should have grown like balloons filled with helium. Allow time for this oxygen to get used up by the lungs and let it get out into your blood. This process should take no more than 2 seconds. Now, to let go. Exhaling. In order to exhale, simply do the opposite. Just let go of the tension. Push out the air in your lungs. This should release the excess carbon dioxide, which should not stay in your body. Too much of this could cause serious problems, most likely leading to death. Make sure you exhale after inhaling, and do not try to inhale again. Outro. If all done correctly, you should have just breathed oxygen. Great job, and thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more epic YouTube tutorials. Goodbye.